write each polynomial in standard form, which again means your highest degree first, and then it goes down from there. Then identify the leading coefficient, degree, and number of terms. Name that polynomial. Name that polynomial. So 2x is the first degree, right? 4x to the third is the third degree, and -1 there is to the 0th degree. So standard form, you put your highest degree first. So we would say 4x to the third, then 2x, and then the -1. So here it is in standard form. What else do we have to name? The leading coefficient. Remember, the leading coefficient is the coefficient, the big boy number, in front of the highest degree. So it's always going to be your first number if it's in standard form. So in this case, 4 would be our leading coefficient. The degree, remember, again, standard form, you go highest degree, so it would be first. So we would say it's the third degree. Let me change colors there. And then number of terms, we would say 3 terms. And then we have to name that polynomial. Now, if it is the third degree, remember that's called cubic. And if there are 3 terms, that's a trinomial, right? Tricycle, 3. Trinomial. So we'll say cubic trinomial. If you go beyond trinomial, like if there are 5 terms there, you could say polynomial with 5 terms. So you really only need to remember monomial, binomial, and trinomial. After that, you can say polynomial with however many terms. So let's try this one out. Let me scooch myself over here. All right. So highest degree we see is this x to the 5th. So we'll put that first. All right, that one's handled. Then we have 7x to the 3rd is our next highest degree. Then we have -11x, and then we have the -2. So here it is in standard form. Now remember, the leading coefficient is in front of the highest degree, which is x to the 5th. Now what is the coefficient there? 1, right? So we'll say the LC is 1. All right, the degree, you go with the highest degree there, x to the 5th. So we'll say 5th degree. Number of terms, say 4 terms. And then we have to name it. So the 5th degree, remember, that's the fun one. That's quintic. Quintessential quintic. So we'll say quintic. And there are 4 terms there. So remember what I just said over there. If it's got more than 3, you could just say polynomial with 4 terms. That was fun. Let's have you try a couple out. Get it in the standard form. Find the leading coefficient, degree, and number of terms, and name the polynomial. So pause here. I'm going to knock these out.